Hope everyone is doing very good. My name is Shobuj. Welcome to my channel Kolkata Tube. Today we'll be discussing on a very important topic. I'm sure every one of you has a dream to purchase a new car or an old car. But looking into the market scenario for the last couple of months, the new car sale has been showing a declining trend. And I was going through a report and I was surprised to learn that the old car sale has been showing a very steady growth in the Indian market. So now, if you want to purchase a old car, it's not so easy, right? So how should you purchase a used car? Now, before you start searching for a car, there are two very important criteria you need to decide on. What will be your max budget? And basis the budget you select, you need to decide what kind of car you will go for. I mean to say, it can be a small hatchback, it can be a premium hatchback, it can be a sedan, it can be a SUV. If this is the first time you want to purchase a car, or for example you have just learned driving, then I will always suggest you go for a small hatchback. Start. Drive that car for a year and then try to upgrade. So then you can set a max budget of 1.5 to 2 lakhs. You will be easily getting small hatchbacks. You can get a sedan also, but maybe the tenuity will be very high. Maybe 9 to 10 years old car you will be getting in that pricing. But yes, if you know driving well, if you're a family man, you can always consider, going for a premium hatchback starting with, or move to a sedan or a SUV also. If you like a premium hatchback, I think somewhere between 3.5 you will be getting a lot of options. If you want to go for a sedan, again from 3.5 to 4.5 you get a lot of options. Now it's time to search for your dream second-hand car, right? So how to proceed? See, now there are a lot of options in the market. Through online also you can check, through apps like OLX. There are different third-party apps also available in the Play Store. You can browse through them. According to the city you stay in, you will get a lot of options. But yes, now if you want to experience the car live, not on pictures, on videos, you need to follow my channel, subscribe to my channel, because I plan to visit various dealerships in Kolkata and give you a hands-on experience. So now once you visit a dealership and you like a car, don't only consider through the exterior part. You need to check a lot of other things, starting from the car engine, the gearbox, the transmission, suspension, and there are a lot of other things also. So if you are a novice, I suggest you can bring a mechanic along with you. You need to pay around 50 bucks or 100 bucks to him, and he will check everything for you. That's my suggestion always. You also need to check the tires, all 5 tires including the stepney. If the car is around more than 4 years old. You need to check if the tires are of the same company or not. If the tires are of different company, then maybe the owner was not very serious about the car. Check the quality of the engine oil also. The color should be amber. If you find the color is deep black, then the service is due, and maybe the owner has not serviced the car or maintained the car properly. I suggest you check the engine oil filling cap also. Check if there is any residue left beneath the cap. ऐसा चिपचिपा सा कुछ तो है नहीं. तो if you find the same, then maybe the engine can have some problem. So I will suggest don't go for that car. Now start the car. First check the instrumental cluster if it is showing any kind of warning sign. Then check the power window of movement, any sound you are getting. Then accelerate very slowly. Try to understand if there is any mocking sound coming out. Now move out of the car with the engines on. Check the exhaust pipe. If you see white, blue or black smoke, avoid that car. Now it's time to go for a test drive. Remember, it's a mandate. Roll down all the windows. Slowly give a pickup. Listen to the engine sound, especially for diesel cars, how silent the engine is and how smoothly the engine is working. Try to feel the suspension. Try to feel the gear movement. If it is smooth. How is the brake, the bite of the brake? Is there any scorching sound? Very, very crucial. Now, once everything is positive and you are happy with the car, do a final check. Check if any case or challan is pending against the car. If something is pending, ask the dealer or owner of the car to pay out. You can visit online, Google it and check yourself. It's very easy. Now once you have shortlisted a car, please verify the papers. Ask the owner of the dealer to show you all the papers. Mainly he will be showing you 3 type of papers. The RC, the insurance and the tax token. From the RC you will come to know the name of the owner, the manufacturing date, and also take a note of the engine number and the chassis number. Now also check if the car is under hypothecation. If it is, then please ask for the NOC, bank NOC. It is a mandate. Now to re-verify the details, the chassis number and the engine number is also imprinted on the car body. Please do verify. And also you can download a government app called M-Paribahan. I will share the link in the description section. So once you put the car number, you will be getting the details of the owner. If it is a first owner, second owner, third owner, this kind of details you will be getting. And also you will be getting the last 3 or 4 digit of the engine number, chassis number. So now once you have selected a car and decided, yes, this is the dream car you want to purchase, it's time for the paperwork. Generally, if you are taking from a dealer, he will be assisting you from the starting to the end. You don't have to worry. Basically, I'll give you a brief. You need to fill up a form 29 and form 30 for the RC transfer process. For any kind of interstate transfer, you need to fill up form number 20, 27 and 28. Do remember all these forms should include the previous owner's signature plus his ID, address and PAN card proof. I will suggest please verify the signature that is mentioned on the forms with the PAN card he has submitted. If by chance the signature don't match, you may have to face a problem in the RTO. So that's all from my side. If you have any kind of further questions, please feel free to question. I will try to revert back as early as possible. Thank you so much for watching. And again, I will request all of you, if you have liked the video, please like, share and please subscribe, because as I said, I will be coming up with more and more videos on automobiles. Thank you so much. Good day. Peace.